Ooh, nice day today. Mark here, coming at you from the south of Thailand. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my DashNex PowerTech review, plus my must-have bonuses over here at ourbestidea.com. Internet marketing that works. And we appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming videos. All right, here we are, sitting back in front of the computer, got the AC on. This is a hot day in the south of Thailand. So what I'm going to show you here is a little sneak peek into the software, what it is. Do you even need it? Is it for you? And stick around to the end so you'll see all the bonuses I've added here. I've got some killer bonuses for you to help you with get traffic and a few other things necessary to use with this. All right, so DashNex PowerTech from the sales page, they're telling us supercharge your online business with our copy and paste simple Amazon cloud-based technology without wasting a fortune on monthly reoccurring payments. Okay, so what is DashNex PowerTech? This is a software, well, two softwares set up by Peter Garrity. He's been around for a while. I got some of his stuff. I'll show you in the DashNex pages that I've bought a while ago, and I have a bunch of his other stuff through the years. He's a great instructor, teacher, and now he's set up these two platforms, and it's essentially two marketing programs. And he says he's invested $1.5 million in development and improvement since 2005. So he has an eCom store and DashNex pages. So the eCom store is an e-commerce platform that allows anyone to launch a high converting e-commerce store in minutes without paying additional fees and need plugins and all the configurations. He says think Shopify on steroids. And then the second software is DashNex Pages. So it's a website hosting platform and allows anyone to quickly build any type of HTML-based websites using templates. Don't get scared off there because I'll show you in there. It's not hard to set up. And everything he says he does online, every single website that I have is hosted on these DashNex pages, including this page you're on right now. Okay, so let's head back over to my page here for what we get in here. On my bonus page, I get a little explanation here. What you get is you get 3 website licenses on the DashNex platform, fully featured. And also number 2, you get the eCom store, 3 licenses on that. Okay, at the time of this recording, the sales page isn't up, so this is a preview of the sales page that I got access to, but you can head over and see for yourself at dnpowertech.com. It'll be up by the time you're looking at this video. Okay, so if we go down here and we'll check out the prices, will be up. I'll give you all that information in a minute so you can see for yourself and read through the sales page what's up with this, why he made it. And if we go down, we can see some information about the core features that you're going to get. So he's showing you here unlimited mobile response pages, unlimited redirect, unlimited traffic and leads, and a bunch of other stuff. You got one-click page cloning, automatic backup, which is great, and updates. He's giving you the SSL for all domains, right, which is great. You can also put in your top autoresponders so you can collect your emails, which is important. I also have some information for you how to do that if you don't know in my bonuses, so stick around to the end for that. And also here are the core features that you get with the eCom platform. So he's got high converting store in minutes, launch it super fast, 0 transition fees, unlimited physical products, and I believe it goes in with AliExpress. There it is there, yeah, unlimited product import from AliExpress. So you can do your drop sharing there. If you're new to this, he's got great information, shows you all that. Okay, and I'll just show you quickly about some of the ways he's got it set up here and how you access all this. He's got this DashNex things. I've been here, you can see I've got other stuff in the past. And if you click in there and I click over to DashNex pages, he's got this welcome, start here. And if you head over to tutorials, let's check that out. Waiting for her to load. So answer questions, welcome, start here, website setup and configurations. So he's got all that information there. And if I want to go back to these templates, so he's showing you the different templates, how to find the perfect template for your first website. He's got a video here. It's a really great training. He's always had really good training on his inside his members area. Does a lot of work. So here's one for evergreen webinar registration templates, and then he's got click here to download the template, and it would be the same for the rest of this, right? And then let's check out the personal website one. He's got click here to download that template, which is cool. And there's a quiz landing page one, which is great. I haven't set all this up yet, but I will be doing that. And also from here you can log into the DashNex pages where you can use all this stuff. I'll show you that in a second. But first I wanted to show you, he also has different things he sells, like templates. This is a bundle for self-help bundle membership. All right, so it's a start here. And then if I go to the niche setup, he gives you a run through here, so you have more videos, and download the package, which is this package here, which is including like the lead magnet giveaway PDF and all the setup, delivery page, landing page. He even has the email sequence here, right? How to set it up, which is cool. And that's in the downloads, that you download everything, right? Delivery setup. And so set up your thank you page, delivery pages, so all that, right? Okay, and then to access that or use this, you would use this into this DashNex pages, right? So like I say, you log into the DashNex pages. So if I log in there, I click over here, so you see I'm logged in under my name here. Welcome back. So what you would do here then, I would just click on add a website, right? And I would make my domain and the title and the description. And then once you add it, you would go back and then set up all that information that I've got for here, and set all this up inside the DashNex pages. It's HTML, but he runs through everything pretty good. So if you're not aware of that, they got some help on that. And also you can get this eCom. Now I don't use eCom stores much, but actually with this deal you're getting 3 for the price, which we'll whip over there, and I'll show you the price in a second of all this stuff, which is great. And it's a one-time fee, it's not a monthly fee. So it's, if you want to get in on this eCom, now's the time to do it. And we'll just head back over here to the launch scheduling and pricing. So that opens the early bird on the 21st of November, which is Thursday at 11 a.m. New York time, or 8 a.m. Los Angeles time, and it closes on Monday the 25th. And so this isn't any fake scarcity. If you don't get it then, you're not going to get it for this price. Peter never has fake scarcity, so you want to get it, you should get it in here. Plus the price is going to go up within the launch. I think it's $5 every day. So if you want to get it at $27, which includes the 3 website licenses here and the 3 store licenses, that's the time to grab it. And you can grab it through my link. And right now I'm on this page. You can see at the bottom there, it's ourbestidea.com /PowerTech/review. And there's a link there. You can also hit the link in the description to come to this page to see all my bonuses. Okay, so the front offer here and the funnel, we'll go through that for a second here. Like I say, it's $27 to start, which goes up to $47 by the time the cart closes. And once, which is great, it's a one-time fee here, so you can get the one-time fee. And just to show you that, if I go back to actually, where are we here? So DashNex, so one time is normally for one, it's $7 a month, right? So you're getting 3. So if we move this little slider up, we can move this slider up. There we go. So it would cost you $19.95 a month, right? And it shows you the yearly plan and all that. But again, right now you're getting 3 for lifetime with no monthly fee, right? With the DashNex pages. And also same on the eCom store. It's $47 a month, all inclusive. And you can see he's got it compared the price, but again, you're getting it for a lot cheaper than that in this thing, so it's an excellent deal. And what do we got here? Upsell number 1, you get 10 instead of 3. You're getting 10 more, so that's nice for $67. Starts off at $47, so that's a deal for sure if you can afford that. And if you're into you know, getting self-hosted stuff, so if you like ClickFunnels or something like that, DashNex Pages basically does a similar thing, and it's no monthly fee. So you can set up like 13 things here, and the same with the eCom stuff. And then number 2 upsell, you get the ambassador program, which is $67 per month, or he's got a yearly deal of $400 per year, or a one-time including membership fee here of $600 with coaching and an active Facebook group, which every month they give you a brand new template funnel with built-in monetization. So again, that's a great deal if you're into that. You want to get fully into this. It's you can't go wrong there. And you can build an email list and make some money. And then there's a downsell to that. And traffic generation simplified, so it's like the ambassador program. So if you want to option to buy the traffic training only, I guess you get the downsell, which is still a good deal. If you want to go that, you got the 30-day money-back guarantee. And on my page, you can see the demo that Peter runs through, which is also, I believe, going to be on the sales page. But right now I put it on here, so it'll show you inside the eCom store, give you more how he sets it up if you're looking for that. And then while we're here, if you want this here and my bonuses, just click any of these big buttons here. Again, click the link below if you're watching this on YouTube, or if you're already here on my page, you just click this to grab all my bonuses. This big red button that turns green, and let's run through what you're going to get here with my bonuses. Okay, bonus number 1, I'm giving you the secret YouTube hack revealed, and it's a way you can legally steal YouTube views the free way. But basically what it is here is I put together this is you can find I've showed you a free way to find YouTube channels that have the link domains expired, so they maybe get a lot of traffic, but the expired link in the bottom, you can go and search and buy that if you want. So if you're looking for like anything from Shopify or any other e-commerce stuff or whatever, or any weight loss, if you're using the DashNex pages, you can go and try to find a domain that's expired and buy it, and it's already got the YouTube views, high views, and when they click the link below, it's going to go to your site. So that's a freebie there. Bonus number 2 is just an introduction to affiliate marketing. If you don't know much about that and you're using the DashNex pages and or the eCom, you get some more information about that. And bonus number 3 is how to build a buyer's list. So once you get you can get that emails and you can figure out how to build a buyer's list. Number 4 is this is a 10K email manifesto, so you can start an email biz, some good information about that. And then bonus number 5 is AdWords retargeting. So if you don't want to just use Facebook, which I think Peter goes through, that's one of the things in the training for getting traffic to your sites. You can use like a YouTube or AdSense in Google, and this is a way to retarget that stuff here, which is great to learn. And number 6, this is a bonus tutorial here. This is put together by a guy called Brendan Mason. Why I've added this in here, so we'll just hop over here and show you. It's one of his first stuff. It's really good because he gives some free traffic sources and some trading traffic and buying traffic and things like that. So it's also really good. So that would be now coming up to the vendors bonuses. So they're going to give you the bonus number 1, which is a premium quiz funnels. So you can read this information here. It's also bonus number 2, the content arbitrage method. And so you can see about information there again on my ourbestidea.com /PowerTech/review. The link here in the video, or if you're on YouTube, click the link below to get over here. And bonus number 3 is product automation, and it shows you how to create high converting lead pages, build your own email lists, again good. And then bonus number 4, which is a live online event, the Money Blueprint Masterclass. Okay, so grab all that, and the way you get that is if you click this big button here, which turns green, you get all my bonuses, which will be instant bonus delivery when you go to JVZoo. And after you buy, it'll be there'll be a link in there to click there. If you have any trouble, feel free just to give me a shout at support@ourbestidea.com right here. So thanks for watching my DashNex PowerTech review and my bonuses. I hope you enjoyed that. Mark, coming at you from the south of Thailand, ourbestidea.com, internet marketing that works. Over and out.
Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification button so you'll get notified of our next video when we release it. Please subscribe, comment, or like this video.